If you only knew the power of the dark side, it is your destiny.
Hello everyone, this is Take the Gate. It is August 19th, 2014, and this is an article on the blog of Jonathan Turley, and it is titled, Baltimore man charged with robbery despite being in jail at time of the crime. Prosecutor still insists on trial and judge agrees. The gentleman's name is Tyree Threatt, 21, and he's being confused. He was charged after a victim picked out his photo as the man who robbed her. However, the robbery occurred while Threatt was in jail on another robbery charge. Now here is the bizarre twist. His public defender, Nick Cooksley, showed the court that he had a record proving that it was impossible for Threatt to have committed the crime. What better alibi besides being in jail? Well, it's not good enough for the prosecutor, who refused to drop the charges and insisted on a trial. Even more bizarre was the judge, who agreed that the trial would be needed. The charges were only dropped after the media pressed the police, which eventually dropped the charges. This case demonstrates yet again that a witness is often mistaken, despite the heavy reliance on such testimony by jurors, etc., etc., etc. On June 27th, the day of the robbery, Threatt was being held on charges of second-degree assault and false imprisonment while the charges were dropped that day. Threatt was not released until June 28th, a day later. There is no discussion on how the detective could have missed this obvious problem, or a discussion of the position of the prosecutor, who was informed of the problem. Indeed, there is no mention of any investigation, let alone discipline, for the detective or the prosecutor for such negligence. There is only no mention of the name of the judge who agreed that the trial was warranted when the accused was locked away at the time of the crime. And this is also found on the Baltimore Sun. Man charged with street robbery that happened while he was in jail. After the woman picked out his photo, Threatt, and he was held over the weekend in lieu of a $75,000 bail by central booking. So apparently, when you don't break the law and you are already arrested, they will just pile charges on you for no apparent reason. This is Take the Gate. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Signing out.